Portions of Nebraska and Iowa were hit hard from some extreme weather this past week. We just heard from Jeff on what you can do with your trees and shrubs, but let's talk about the rest of the landscape. Our goal is to keep as much photosynthetic tissue in place on our plants, so we want to be light with the pruning. We can go in and remove any of those broken stems or leaves, but we want to try to keep as much of the plant intact so that way it can continue to recover. As the summer progresses, we could go in and remove some of those storm damaged leaves, but for right now, leave the plant as is if we're able to. We should take a good look at some of our iris. They are prone to different type of bacterial rots that can enter in through storm damage points. We might need to cut those halfway back to help preserve the plants, which could be painful because right now they have started to flower. As we move through the rest of the growing season, we should provide good plant health care practices. Water if we go into any type of drought. Avoid the use of any type of fertilizers because fertilizers can make storm damaged plants a little bit more stressed and can continue to provide good plant health care. Nebraska's weather is dynamic. It's always changing, but hopefully with some of these tips we can get our plants to recover and continue to thrive.